Hey folks, just a quick one tonight. Still waiting on a fuel fitting for the 600 Holly. Apparently 5/8 banjo bolt fittings on a side hung float bowl of a 600 aren't supposed to be there. Everything they've sent up is wrong and smaller, like a 9/16. So wait and see what comes from Aeroflow. They've got a 5/8 banjo fitting with a tail fitting, supposed to be listed for an Edelbrock. So we'll see what happens when it comes. 5/8 is 5/8, but for the moment, heater hose fitting turned up, so we'll run through fitting one of these. If you've seen the factory ones, they're always really thin tin or metal, tube, and they rust out really easy and they end up snapping off flush at the block. Kilkenny one's a nice thick brass one, so we'll go through putting that in there, and yeah, wait on that hose fitting for the Holly. Okay, so we've given the fitting a really light coat of Permatex aviation sealer, same as if you're going to install a wash plug, and we'll just lightly start it in the block. So we can try and hold it. Okay, so that's sitting in there where we want it. And we're going to take a brass drift, so that way we don't flare it and munt the end of the tube, and send it home. Okay, so that's down in as far as it needs to go into the engine block. I checked how deep the recess goes down in, and I've also got an engine block in the corner with a factory tube still sitting in it, and that's how far it hangs out, and it doesn't bottom out down in the block. So, and that one there, the last two Clevelands I've had, put one of those in each one, and they saw the life of the block out after that. So there you go, nice easy one. Okay, so that does it for tonight. So that was the brass heater hose fitting into the engine block of the Clevelands. Kilkenny part number KC116. Works really well, nice easy fit, and they last forever. So just a short one while we're waiting on fittings for that Holly to turn up. And one last thing, if anybody out there has an XA with driving lights on it, yes, we've got the rear spares brackets and the rings to convert the grille to a twin driving headlight grille. I've never owned an XA, so I have zero idea on how these suckers go on and where on a standard V8 radiator core radiator support. So if anyone out there has an XA Falcon with driving light brackets installed on it, if you can maybe drop a photo in the comments just to show us a close-up of how these brackets go. Rear spares have got no info on them. There's no left, no right stamped on them. I think I've got it worked out from where the rings have to go into the plastic grille, and the spacing. I just haven't got anything close by like a factory XA with factory driving lights in it that I can see. So yeah, if anyone's got any idea on that or any photos or any dimensions, that'd be awesome. Drop us a line, let us know. Till next time, thanks, bye.